how we can deter China in pushing for its illegal plan, no? Kung magre-reclaim man sila. On the part of the National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea, naniniwala tayo na ang transparency effort ng ating pamahalaan ay isang napakahalagang hakbang, no? To deter China from realizing kung ano man ang plano nila sa Baho de Masinloc. For two good reasons. Una sa lahat, alam natin na tayo ang ASEAN host country ngayon. So, you can just imagine na ang COC ay pinag-uusapan. So, if we're going to tell our ASEAN neighbors na ang China ay nagba-violate ng 2002 DOC, that they are not sincere dialogue partner dahil ginagawa pa rin nila ito sa gitna ng pag-usap tungkol sa COC, we are hoping that this kind of reputational damage will make China think twice para gumawa ng mga maling gawain na ganito. Secondly, we also intend to make the international community aware of what's happening in Baho de Masinloc. We would like to believe that our like-minded state friends, allies, will also pressure the People's Republic of China para tigilan ang mga ganitong gawain at bumalik ulit sa isang negotiating table para pag-usapan natin ito ng mas mapayapa. So, through transparency effort of the NTF-WPS, naniniwala tayo ng kahalagahan nito to expose such unlawful activities to the world.